Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this Pinterest inspired bird's nest from things I picked up at the thrift store and things from the dollar store. You will need scraps of lace, a candlestick, a small bowl that you're going to attach to the top of the candlestick, your hot glue gun, some ribbon, the pieces of lace. Like I said, these lace pieces are from the Dollar Tree. The other pieces I had rolls of lace that I grabbed, some burlap ribbon. This necklace I got from the dollar store because I wanted bling. Raffia from the dollar store. A fabric scissor. Rhinestone. Here's my bowl. Everything was half price. It also came with a trivet. There's my mercury glass candlestick that I got half off for $1. I love mercury glass, so I was thrilled. I found a bag of birds, some glitter, Serenity blue chalk paint. I bought this bag of this beachy weeds with the white roses from the Dollar Tree. Something new they had, brown moss. I didn't use the green. I didn't want the green. And so this is all the stuff that I used. Now I am taking my mercury glass candlestick. You can do this with Dollar Tree items. You can just get a candlestick holder and a bowl from the Dollar Tree and do the same exact thing. I'm going to attach it with my E6000 glue to make a permanent hold, but E6000 takes overnight to dry. So as most of you crafters and DIYers know, you also add hot glue to it because the hot glue will dry fast and it will adhere the two items together while the E6000 takes its time to dry overnight. Now you flip the bowl over and put your candlestick in the center there and press it down. Make sure it's nice and placed there right in the center. And I'm going to just push that aside for a little bit while I start to cut up my pieces of lace. I'm just going to cut them into strips. Now the hot glue should be dry so we could work with this. And all you're going to do is take your strips of lace and you're going to glue them to the edge of the bowl. You're going to do these in layers. So the first layer is going to be your longest pieces. And then after you do all your long pieces around the edge, you're going to do shorter pieces until you build it up. But you want them to drape down. If the pieces are too long, just trim them because you're going to use the little pieces you trim off anyway when you do the last layer around the rim. I started to fold the longer pieces in half, which was nice because it was giving me that build-up that I was looking for. Just keep building up the layers until you like how it looks, going with shorter ones every time you do a new layer so that it has a nice build up and dimension. Now the fun part. Now you add strands of pearls and rhinestones. Now I'm taking apart that necklace that I bought from the thrift store, and I'm going to take a few of these little blingy pieces with the rhinestones and just randomly glue them into the nest, just to give it a romantic, blingy, shabby chic look. I just love the way this is coming out. I think it's coming out gorgeous with all the bling, especially on top of the mercury glass candlestick. And now I'm going to take my brown moss and I'm just going to hot glue it into the center and work it around a little bit inside there so it has that nest look where it's a little hollow in the center part and comes up higher around the edges. Now I'm going to take the white roses from that little beachy home decor pack that I bought from the Dollar Tree. It's something new they just got in. I thought it was so pretty. I was going to use these birds that I got from the thrift store, and then I realized after playing around with it, yeah, they're not going to fit. They're way too big out of proportion for this nest. So you'll see what I did later on if you watch this till the end. So yes, I gotta put on those white roses, because if I'm gonna make this a shabby chic bird's nest, it has to have some white roses. Now I'm taking some raffia and I'm working that into the brown moss. And just keep playing with it until I like the way the bird's nest looks. Now I added some pearls. I draped it through the moss. I bought these wooden eggs from Amazon. I was going to use these because they're gorgeous, but they were too big for the nest. So what I did was I took the little glitter eggs from the Dollar Tree and I painted them with my Serenity Blue and put some glitter on them, and this is the final result. I think it came out absolutely gorgeous, and I have it on my bathroom counter next to my sink, and it's just gorgeous. And I'm thinking eventually I will put soaps in it and leave it there because I don't want to take it away. It's so beautiful. I hope this video has inspired you to create your romantic shabby chic bird's nest. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you enjoy DIYs like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and helping it grow. Thanks for watching!